Good day, guys. It's Winter Lady Trading. So guys, today we're going to be continuing with the part 2 of MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, how to use these applications. But today we're going to be focused mostly on the MetaTrader 5 and how do you going to be able to spot the difference between the two, right? So guys, if you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe and share the video so that we can be able to assist other people that are new to this industry, that they don't even know how to utilize these two platforms, right? So for now, what we're gonna do is just gonna quickly go and see the difference between the two. So if you can see right now, we tapped into MetaTrader 5. So MetaTrader 5, as it is, what is like basically what is the difference between the two? What is the difference between a MetaTrader 4 and a MetaTrader 5? As you can see that MetaTrader 4 is an older version, but a MetaTrader 5 is a more advanced version. So it's like the recent updated version. As you can see that this one can even split the screen into two. You can see the screen into two, where else with the MetaTrader 4 you see that it can only show one screen, right? So it doesn't even have those options over to sell and buy over there right here on the desktop, right? But then let's say you want to analyze or you want to add your currencies or your forex currency pairs or your indices. This is where you're gonna go. You go and place over here. So remember, over here it's like mostly currencies over here. So let's say you want to trade your Nasdaq, your US 30, your German 30, your S&P 500. You come here and you press this plus sign over here. Once you press that plus sign there, it's gonna come and chooses over here. So right now, let's say you want to add like your indices. So that's where you just click on there, and then there's your 101 Nasdaq, there's your S&P 500, there's your US 30. So if you want to check like gold, then there it is. You can check gold. You just tap into that and then you tap into gold. If you want to take commodities or any other stocks like your Apple, then you can come over here for stocks. So this is how you add in your even your forex crosses. You can still tap in there and add those ones as well. But that's how you add your pairs. Let's say you want to delete some of them in your chart. So if you want to delete them, this is how you're gonna delete. You come over here. Let's quickly do this. You press the pencil, you press the dustbin over there icon, you just press that dustbin icon over there. Then you can choose the one that you want to eliminate or delete from your charts. Let's say for example this one, USD, Israel shekel, this one, like the ones that you're mostly not going to be utilizing or you're not going to be using, you can delete them. That's how you, let's see, you see now those, they are out now. So guys, here's another thing that you need to be aware about. You see the spreads over here, these numbers that I keep on, these numbers over here, you see it's written spread. Those are the numbers that, like, it's the difference between the buyer and the seller volume that they're going to, the broker is going to charge you with. So the spread is something that, like, it's the difference between the buyer and the sellers. So let me show you this, the difference between this red and green horizontal lines over here. That's the spread of a broker that it charges, right? So another thing is that once you, let's say you want to analyze, let's quickly go, let's tick on, let's say open chart. You see how it is now. So now you want to analyze your MT4. This is how you're going to analyze your MT4. You analyze it this way. So if you can check this circle over here, it doesn't have the settings over on it. But if you were to check your MT5, if you press in the middle of it, you see there's a gear lever over there, that is the gear setting over there, and this one is more advanced. That's why you can be able to see that this is how it's happening, right? Cool. So let's go back to MT4. If you are, I'll show you how to analyze using MT4. So MT4, this is how you're gonna analyze. So now you go, if you want to your horizontal line, then you can press your horizontal line there. Then again, you can, if you want another horizontal line, you can press the horizontal line there again, horizontal line, press that, you want that, and then your highest point, to highlight it. And then let's say you want to mark your, you see there's a fair value gap, there's a fair value gap over there that the market just tapped into. You see now, there it is. This is how you mark, like utilize the charts over there. So you can even change your colors, you can even change your colors over there. You can change your colors just to analyze everything. So let's say you anticipate that price, now it has reached into the fair value gap. Now you want to anticipate the direction. You can come here and add your objects. You can choose, okay, which ones you want to use. Okay, you say you want to use this one, you can just say press that one and say drag it down where you're likely to see price going. It can be this one, or you can even drag it very low like that. That's how you analyze your charts. That's how you're gonna be using your tools. So let's quickly go back to, let's go back to your, if you want to execute, you can literally just execute there, and okay, let's say it just tapped into. That's how you execute your trades. That's how you're going to be executing your trades. That's how, this is how you minimize your lot size. Let's go, and this is how you're going to be utilizing the opportunity. You can say, you see it will say not enough money because of what, of this lot size over here. Let's just leave it there. So now we're gonna go to MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5, as you can see, MetaTrader 5, it's more advanced. So with the MetaTrader 5, there's two screens. You can decide to add the two screw screens, or you see that over here that you can even add a tool over there, so you can choose to view the very same you see now we have US 100 cash and US 30 cash. So you have your NAS 100 over there, your Nasdaq chart over there at the top, and your US 30 chart at the bottom. You can still, the good thing about this, you can still change that. Press that icon if you want to view that, or if you want to just eliminate or remove, then you see now it's only one chart that is left. But if you want to add screens, you can still add screens. You can say, I want to add a new window, and it will split like that, and then it will show you. You can still view the very same market, but with different time frames. You see over here at the top we've got 1 hour time frame, and here at the bottom we've got 5-minute time frame. Then you can be able to manage your your positions. When you can see that this is happening, you can literally be able to see it on a 5-minute chart, on a 15-minute. You can say, okay, cool, I want to see it on a 15-minute over here, and over here I want to see it on 5-minute. There it is. You'll see where you are and where is it likely to go, and how is it literally changing or moving around. That's how you can. And still you can still add two different currency pairs, or your instruments over there. Let's say you just press there, and then you press new chart. You see now at the bottom, now we have US 30, and at the top we've got Nasdaq. So you can still manage to maneuver around and see if you've got two positions that are going on. You'll be able to see the correlation, or the divergence between the pairs, or the correlated pairs that you have used, or anything. So it's not only on indices only. Even if you want to add your forex trades and your forex positions, you can still do that as well. So another thing is that with the the MetaTrader 5, you see on the screen it has got a sell and a buy option. It allows you to execute your trades instantly, like right on the spot. It's market execution right on the spot. So it has got that um, advanced opportunity to let you participate in the market as soon as possible, rather than to wait for you. Let me just show you an example. This is not like it's not funded as yet, so you can literally see it's just gonna say like not enough money or something. You see that's you. If you press the sell button, it immediately takes on the trades. But with your MT4, you see now with your MT4 what's going to happen. With your MT4 now, you're going to have to come, if you want to execute, you have to press the plus sign there, then you can be able to do that. But with this one, it's a total different story, that you can be able to manage your orders over there. But with this one, you see you can even add something like this, these trend lines that you can use over there to see where the direction is and how you can be able to put to manage your trades, right? So while we're still on that one, I wanted to show you MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5, if you want to add positions, you can literally press the buy or sell, or you can press over here to increase your lot size. You can choose what lot size you want to put, or you want to put 0.40, you want to put 0.1.1. So it's all about where, or you can literally subtract by pressing the down arrow, pointing arrow there. That is just to subtract your lot size. Or if you want to add, you can press this one and it will increase your lot size. That's the more advanced, because on the MetaTrader 4 you can literally you can't be able to do that. So with this one it's more advanced, so that's why you need to play around it, and then you'll be able to see what's happening, right? So this one, so right now I wanted to show you that this, it has got more options. So how you, sorry, so let's just remove this other screen, and then I'll show you how to change colors. Okay, let's remove that one. Remove that one. I'll show you how to change colors. Cool. So now let's quickly jump in. So let's say you want to change your colors. You tap into that gear, then you can go straight to change colors over there. Then literally you can see that if you want to change your colors, this is like a bar up. That's your bowl, or that's your green candle that's going up. You can personalize this through this and changing your colors, so that you can be able to understand like colors, they don't matter as long as you understand the open, the close, and the high and the low of the candlestick. Then you are good to go, so that you can be able to understand that you don't literally need to have the standard candlesticks, like this standard green candlesticks. You can literally change them. So let's just do that right now, so that you can see. Okay, cool. Bar up, I can say I want it to be green. I want it, the bar down, to be that color. Let's say I want it to be a gray color, then I change that one. A bull candle, I want it to be that way, and then a bear candle, I want it to be that gray. Chart line, it's gray. The next thing it will say your candlestick, you wanted your stop loss, what color you want it to be, and then bid price, buy limit, sell limit. Then it will just show you that your sell stop, it's red, your take profit, it's green. Then you can be able to maneuver around. Then once you are done, then you say done. You'll see now it has changed the colors. That's how you change your colors. And if you want to, let's say you, same thing, you press this other icon over here at the top, then you'll be good to go. Any other thing that, if you don't understand, please like, subscribe, and share the video, and comment below on the comment section, so that you'll let us know what you like us to make a video, so that we can be able to teach you, and so that you can be more advanced. You need to be able to participate, you need to be able to read these charts, you need to be able to understand what's going on the charts. So this MT5, it's more advanced, and this is why we usually most trade with the MetaTrader 5, because it allows you instant execution. So remember, on the part one, we're showing you how to place pending orders and how to use a sell limit, those types. Those were the trades that we were literally showing you. You can still tap on that, or you can remove that. You see now the buy and sell, they are now out. But if you tap there back again, now they are back there again. You can see that. And then this is the time frame. You see how advanced is that. If you want to say, I want to place my buy limit, that's how you place your buy limit. You see now, I can literally move it around. Once I press on it, I can say, no, I'm looking to buy somewhere here. Or I can just say, you can even set up your take profits. Now you can set up your take profits. This is how you can set up your stop loss and everything, your TP as well. That's how it is more advanced. That's why it makes this chart be more active. So that's how you do it. I just wanted to show you. You can either press this one, it will remove the buy and sell, and once you press it back again, it will have that. So you can literally have that being set up and ready for you to come and execute. But if you want to set like your pending limit, there you press it over there. Then you can choose what do you want to do. If it's on top of this side, that's your sell limit, and whenever it's at the bottom, that's your buy limit. Did you get the point? If you move it across, like on top of above, like above the price where it currently is, that will be your sell limit. But if you move it below, once you move this below, it makes it to be a buy limit, because it allows you to move to maneuver around this app. You see now, whenever I put it on above this price, it's now start saying sell limit. But once I move it below, that's when it starts saying buy limit. So let's say you wanted to buy somewhere, or you wanted to see how far price can literally go, and you execute. Remember, there's a fair value gap over there, there's a break of structure, fair value gap. Then you can literally do that. So if you want to add tools over there, you can press that, mark it, then you'll be like, okay, cool, that's how I want it. So you can literally do that. Let me now show you how to get this field. Let's move it this way. You are low. There we go. So you tap into it, it will show you, it will give you options of what would you like to do with it. Let me do this. Let me do that. So now you know, okay, that's where it is tapped in. So now another thing is, once you want to wait, you can literally wait. You can literally wait for it to come and tap over there. Then you can do this. Let's say you want to add your horizontal line. There you can mark your horizontal line, that this is where price once touched and it left this huge gap over there. Do you see that? Now you want to delete or remove or anything, that's when you can still use this more advanced thing. So if you want to delete, you can just press the dustbin over there, highlight those items, then boom, they are all gone now. Time frames, you can change from 1 hour, 4 hour, your daily. So the higher time frame you use, the more precise direction you're gonna get. Now you wanna use your weekly, then you see that, okay, weekly we've been going this way. Then you wanna use your monthly, then it will show you like it's now still processing the data for monthly, because monthly it's very huge. We don't usually use the monthly in most cases. We only use the monthly when we analyzing from the desktop, like your trading view or your MetaTrader. So this is your monthly chart. Now if you want to use your top-down analysis, then you can literally see that this month we've been buying, we've been bullish. Weekly, you see that this week has been bullish as well. Now you want to go to your daily, then it's been bullish as well. Then you go to H4 confirms that it's buying. Then H1 says we're still buying. Then you see that M30. That's how you do your top-down analysis. You start from the higher time frame, so everything has to align together with the higher time frame. Now this is how you would have. So for people that are breakout traders, they are milking it now because it just broke out of there. So you can literally wait for price to come and retrace back, and then you participate into the market. But other than that, guys, I hope you liked the video, you liked the lesson, you liked everything that was happening. So this is not a funded account. This was being used for lessons purpose. So I'm not a financial advisor, but this was just a tutorial, not a financial advice that you need to go and execute. Forex can be very choppy, so you need to be able to trade it with the funds that you are willing to lose. But if ever you need any financial advice, I will suggest you go and seek a professional financial advisor. Then they can be able to assist you on that one. This video was mainly for purpose of teaching you and assisting you to learn and understand how this is likely to happen. In other words, have a good trade and be safe, and please like and share and subscribe to the button. Thank you so much. Have a peaceful day ahead. Trade safe. Thank you.